Hi, welcome back to Reporting. I'm really glad you're here, taking this time to slow down and to remain present with where you are right now. In the last episode, we reflected on what it means to carry growth into everyday life, how it begins to shape how we respond, how we move, how we live. And today, I want to gently step back and look at something broader. Because in a garden, growth doesn't happen in one continuous way. There are seasons. There are times of visible growth. Everything seems to be thriving. There's fruit, everything, there's shade. It just looks like a picturesque um, garden from a magazine. But there are also times of stillness. There are times when everything seems to slow down. And there are even times where things appear to fade. And yet, even when things are not visible, I want to assure you that something is still happening beneath the surface. And I think this is where this can be difficult to accept because we have done the work of reporting, we have been planted in new soil, we have seen visible growth, we have grown along others, and we often expect growth to feel steady, and we are in our growth, we have found our rhythm, so we expect things to just be moving forward, onwards, and upwards. However, the truth is, life doesn't always move that way. I've noticed in my own life, there are times when everything feels clear. The vision is crystal clear and I'm moving forward. And there are other times hmm, when things feel far much quieter. They feel less certain, they feel paused, and they seem and feel to have even stopped. And it's in those moments it can feel as though something has been lost. But a change in season is not a loss of growth, it is part of it. It's all part and parcel of growth. There are seasons where things expand and seasons where things settle. There are seasons where something is forming, even if it cannot yet be seen. And maybe what matters is not trying to hold on to one kind of season, but learning to recognize the one we are in and allowing it to be what it is. It is what it is. So today, you might gently ask, what season am I in right now. And instead of resisting it, can I allow it to unfold as it needs to? Hmm. Growth doesn't disappear when seasons change, it simply takes a different form. As always, you could continue this reflection in our resources. The link is in the description below. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this time to notice. This is Reporting, and wherever you are, there is still something growing.